happen that your patients sometimes are not understanding perfectly what is the quality of the service and the treatments that you provide them? Yes, I have to tell you, in the past especially, it happened to me many, many times. And this was very frustrating and a big problem for me because I was so focused in order to provide an excellent clinical service, in order to provide a very high quality restorative treatments service, but honestly, I missed a point. Why? My patients didn't understand. Why? I didn't have what I deserved. So I have to answer with one word that is the key in order to solve this type of problem. Protocols. I really believe in protocols. You know very well, if you follow me, aesthetics, all the concept about aesthetics is about protocols for excellence. And remain this about this type of service that we provide. Protocols for excellence. We study many years. We do better than yesterday in order to obtain better service in terms of clinical outcome. But I want to tell you something about what is the new trend that we follow, what is the new vision that we have also as aesthetics and personally, especially, is the synergic restorative. Why? This idea is about restorative dentistry, but is about protocols on two main aspects. Clinical protocols that remain the goal, remain our focus and the main topic that we have to look for and we have to achieve in order to provide a very excellent service. And secondary, we have another type of protocols that are protocol on communications, protocols on management, and this is something that in an over-communicated society we cannot take for granted. We have to join to these clinical protocols that remain the main topic, the main focus, another type of protocols. Communication protocols, management protocols, because what is important in an over-communicated society is important to communicate, and to communicate in the proper way. So I studied many years about how to be a good dentist, but in one moment of my life, of my professional life, I understood that I had also to study about how to communicate with my leads, with my possible customers, possible patients, and how to create a different branding positioning. And also this is something that for a clinician is something that say, okay, for a dental practitioner is something that say, okay, something not very well defined, but is just, when you know them, is just exactly how to do the clinician. Know the protocols, apply them, still improve with them, and achieve a goal. So, in my master training, Gold for the Conservative Path, so it's a long path, in more weekends, I dedicate 2 days on the communication, NLP, communication with the team, with the patient, and how to create a brand, a personal brand. And in the Platinum Path, that is the master training on prosthesis and prosthodontics, and in advanced restorative, I dedicate 3 days about this type of topic. And what is very important, that we start to apply. So now in this video, I want to give you 3 points that you can start to think about and to start to work, okay? First of all, what do you say to your possible patients or to your future patients? Before that they become your patients, what is the information that they have about you as a professional, as a dental clinic, and what is the information that you provide them about the excellent restorative dentistry or excellent dentistry? Second point is what is the type of support in terms of knowledge that you provide them, because they can understand what is the level of the quality of the treatment, especially today with the gold standard in restorative dentistry. And third option, what you are doing really in order to build up your personal branding, your branding positioning in the market, on the perception of your patients. These are three important points that we have to start to think about. Simple actions, but following specific protocols, very useful actions. So we will talk maybe later in this short videos section about these topics. Because, okay, I want to share about clinical protocols, but if you are interested in this, please write me on the comments that you would like to know more about this, and I will create also some short videos about specific actions about this, okay? So follow us on our social media channels, on our websites, and share with your friends these concepts that can help other dentists to improve their life. See you next video. Do better than yesterday.